In accounting, the going concern principle is a fundamental assumption about a business's future. Let's look at what it really means for investors. At its core, it is about continuity. It assumes the company has the resources to keep operating for at least the next 12 months. Auditors typically use a 12-month window to determine if a company can pay its debts as they come due. When a company shows signs of distress, like chronic cash flow issues or loan defaults, auditors might question its status as a going concern. This is the opposite of liquidation, where a company shuts down and sells its assets to pay off creditors. A business with a short runway is a red flag for investors, as it limits the time available to recover from operational setbacks. Remember, an auditor's note about going concern issues is a major red flag that indicates the company's future is genuinely at risk. Check your company's latest annual report for these disclosures. Subscribe for more accounting basics and finance tips.